So while Google Pixel 11 and 11 Pro are set to debut later this summer, but here we go. The CAD-based renders of these handsets already showed up, revealing design-wise what changes are coming. So let's roll the intro. So starting with the base model, the Pixel 11. At first glance, the Pixel 11 looks identical to its predecessor. The rounded corners, flat frame design, and Google's signature camera visor. Also, it is set to retain the same dimensions. That is 152.8 by 72mm. However, it will be fractionally thinner, 8.5mm down from 8.6mm. But there are two main changes. So first of all, the camera visor or camera bar is now all black, and so the flashlight sits also inside it. By the way, the Pixel 11 continues to offer a triple camera setup. Though at the moment we don't know many details, but I think it is safe to say these sensors will be the wide, ultra wide and a telephoto sensor. Another noticeable change will be on the display side. So where the Pixel 10 had clearly thicker bezels, especially for a $800 phone, thankfully and going by these renders, the Pixel 11 will feature slimmer bezels. The display will remain the same 6.3 inches. Now let's move to the Pixel 11 Pro renders. And like the Pixel 11, the 11 Pro camera bar will also be fully blacked out, including the flashlight. While the rest of the design is just like its predecessor. On the front, there is a flat display with thin bezels, and it is said to be the same 6.3 inches LTPO display. Now, talking about the key specs, the Google Pixel 11 series will feature a 7-core Tensor G6 chip, which seems like a strange move in a world where competitors are offering 8-core chips. And also, Google will use MediaTek's M90 modem for its Pixel 11 series. In terms of RAM, the standard model Pixel 11 is likely to stick with 12 gigs of RAM, while the Pixel 11 Pro with 16 gigs of RAM. So this is how the Pixel 11 and the 11 Pro will look. Let me know what you think about them. By the way, the design of the Pixel 11 Pro Fold is already out. So to check that out, click here, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.